After creating a collection, I want to make sure it is accessible to other users. The easiest way to do that is to share my collection on my front page. To start doing that, I'll just click my small picture up here. Then I'll click the Edit button. From the menu on the left, I want to expand the General menu, and then I'll go with option Navigation. I will drag it here. After that, I want to select which of my collections I want to share. Here are the two collections that I have created so far. This time, I'm going to go with PhD Research. In here, I'm going to select whether I want my collection to appear as retractable or not on my front page, or whether I want it to be automatically retractable. I'll just say yes for now, and I'll click Save. So, this is the collection that I have selected, and here are the pages that are inside this collection. If I click Display Page, this is how it is going to show. Since I chose option Retractable, I can manually do this. By clicking on a page, I can visit it. In addition to adding links to collections on my front page, I can also add a link to them on any other page. For example, I'll click the Edit button here, and I might as well add a collection to this page. What I have to do is to expand the General option and also go with Navigation. So for example, I could drag this here and choose to share a collection within another page that is not my front page. And this time I'm going to choose Automatically Retract, and then click Save. Now, if I display this page, I have a collection showing inside another page. And then again, I can click a page to visit it.